Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain about conditional executions in Python. First of all, what is conditional execution? In programming or scripting languages, conditional statements or conditional constructors are used to perform different computation or actions depending on whether a condition evaluates true or false. Please note that true and false are always written as the letter T in the word true are always written as capital letters. The remaining letters are always small letters. Next, false. The letter F in the word false are always written as a capital letter, and same as in the true, the remaining letters are always in small letters in Python. Conditional execution allows executing statements selectively based on certain decisions. Such type of a decision control statement are always known as selection control statement or conditional branching statement. Python support different types of conditional branching statements. They are conditional execution, alternative execution, chained conditional execution, nested conditional execution. First we will see about conditional execution, that is if statement. The if statement is the simplest form of decision control statement that is frequently used in decision making. The if selection structure performs an indicated actions only when the condition is true, otherwise the action is skipped. Here the syntax for conditional execution: if test expression, statements of yes. Next, for our better understanding, there is an example for conditional execution. Age equal to 16. If age less than or equal to 21, print you are minor. What is the test expression in this example? Age less than or equal to 21. In this example, age equal to 21. So the condition is true. So the program will print you are minor. For better understanding, there is an flowchart for if statement. If the first test the expression, the condition is true, the body of if statement is if block is executed, or otherwise the program will go to the end. Next, alternative execution. What is alternative execution? The if-else statement evaluates test conditions and executes the true statement block only when the test condition is true. If the condition is false, the false statement block is executed. The very important thing is indentation is used to separate the blocks. The indentation will play a major role in some error detecting. Here is the syntax for if-else statement: if test expression, body of if, else, body of else. Here is an example for if statement: num equal to int input of enter a number. This is the format for getting input from the user through keyboard. If num remainder 2 equal to 0, print number is even, else print number is odd. For example, if you enter the number 8, it is a even number. That is num remainder is equal to 2. The condition is satisfied. So if statement block is executed, so the program will print the number is even. For example, we enter the number is 5. This number is odd, so the program will print number is odd. Next, there is a flowchart for if-else statement. First, the condition is tested. If the condition is true, body of if block is executed, or next the program will go to the end, or otherwise if the condition is false, the body of else statement is body of else is executed. Next the program will go to the end. Next, chained conditional execution. Sometimes there are more than 2 possibilities and needed more than 2 branches. One way to express the computation like that, the chained conditional execution. The elif statement allows checking multiple expressions for a truth value and executing a block of code as soon as one of the condition evaluates to true. Here is then syntax for if, elif, else. First, if test expression, body of if, elif test expression, body of else, then else execute body of else. It allows checking for multiple expression. If the condition for if else false, it checks the condition of the next elif block, and so on. If the all conditions are false, the body of else is executed. For better understanding, there is an example. Average equal to input of enter the average mark. If average greater than or equal to 80, print grade is A. Else average greater than 70, print grade is B. If average greater than 60, print grade is C. Else print grade is D. If we enter the mark is 90, it is the grade is A, because the test expression in the if statement is executed is true. So the if statement is executed, average greater than or equal to 80. So the program will print grade is A. Next, here is a flowchart for chained conditional execution. First condition is checked, the condition is true, body of if statement is body of if is executed, or otherwise condition is false. Elif statement is executed, body of elif is executed, then the program will go to the end, or again the condition is false, the body of else statement is executed. Next, the last but not least, we will see the last conditional execution, that is nested conditions. They are may be a situation to check another condition after a condition resolves to true. In such a situation, the nested construct can be used. One condition can also be nested within another. Any number of these statements can be inside one another. Indentation is only way to figure out the level of nested. Here the syntax for nested conditions, that is the if statement is inside another if statement. Here is an example for that. X equal to input int input of enter x, y equal to int input of enter y. If x equal to y, then print x and y are equal. Else there is an if statement inside the else block. If x less than y, print x is less than y. Else print x is greater than y. So if we enter x equal to 56 and y equal to 98, the if statement, the condition of the if statement is true, so the body of the if statement is executed. Thank you for watching this video. If any comments, please post it on comment box. If any clarification, also ask me. Thank you.